The phrases listed here have their own rules regarding how the subjunctive is used, so let's take a look at exactly how that works. So these are a few more phrases which may or may not activate the subjunctive, depending on the circumstances. The first phrase is aunque. This phrase will use the indicative if a fact is involved or if the outcome is known. The subjunctive will be used if the outcome is unknown or uncertain. Iré contigo, aunque ella no le gusta. I will go with you, although she doesn't like it. In this first sentence, the speaker is certain, absolutely sure, that she does not like it. Because of that certainty, we use the indicative and not the subjunctive. Iré contigo, aunque ella no le guste. I will go with you, although she may not like it. So the second sentence is different. It indicates that the speaker is not entirely sure, not certain, she does not like it. She may like it or she may not like it, but we cannot say with certainty. So because of that lack of certainty, because the outcome is unknown or uncertain, we use the subjunctive in the second example. The second phrase, de modo que or de manera que. This will use the indicative if used to mean in such a way that. It will activate the subjunctive if it is used like para que. Lo explican de modo que tú entiendes. They explain it in such a way that you understand. So because it is used to mean in such a way that, it uses the indicative in this first example. Lo explican de modo que tú entiendas. They explain it so that you will or might be able to understand. So in this second example, de modo que is used just like para que. So because it is used in that manner, we activate the subjunctive this time. And we have como. It will use the indicative if used to mean because or since at the beginning of a sentence. It will use the subjunctive if used to mean if. It will also use the indicative if it means like or how in a factual sense. And it will also use the subjunctive if it means how or however in a hypothetical or future sense. ¿Cómo terminaste tu tarea? Deberías descansar. Because you finished your homework, you should relax. So it is used to mean because or since at the beginning of a sentence. Therefore, we use the indicative and not the subjunctive. ¿Cómo caminemos al parque? Te compraré un helado. If we go to the park, I'll buy you an ice cream. So como is used to mean if in this case, so we do use the subjunctive. Lo preparo como ordenaste. I will prepare it like you ordered. So it is used to mean like or how the person ordered in a factual and completed sense. So we use the indicative. Prepararé como ordenes. I will prepare it however you may order. So this is different than the previous example. This time, como means how or however in a hypothetical or future sense. And this time we use the subjunctive. And that pretty much sums up the subjunctive and indicative rules for these three types of phrases. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you can share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.